Zhuzh is a verb. That means to make something more lively, stylish or appealing, often through small but impactful adjustments or enhancements. For instance, the exact origins of Zhuzh are unclear, but it is believed to have emerged from Polari, a slang language used in the mid-20th century, particularly within British theatre and LGBTQ+ communities. It gained popularity through pop culture, particularly with its use on TV shows like Queer Eye. Explanation and usage. Zhuzh is typically used in informal contexts to describe giving something a little extra flair or personality. It implies improving something without a complete overhaul. Example sentences: you just need to zhuzh up your outfit with some accessories. Adding fresh flowers really zhuzhed up the living room. Synonyms and related words: spruce up, to make something tidier or more attractive. Enhance, to improve or elevate. Polish, to refine or perfect. Antonyms: dull, to make less interesting or vibrant. Flatten, to remove depth or excitement. Simplify, to strip away complexity or flair. Key takeaway: zhuzh is a playful, modern term for making small but noticeable changes that elevate the style, energy or attractiveness of something. It's about adding a touch of flair without going overboard.